Okay, are you filming? Okay, so we're gonna try to close the garage door and get through it.
It's a rainy day here.
You can't even notice on the camera.
Get through it without the garage door opening again. Okay, so we're gonna try this.
Just go. Just go.
I didn't. That's what happens when you run through it. Okay, now this is what happens when you do it the correct way. Okay, ready? You jump over the invisible beam.
Go. No! What is that?
Okay, now Nick is gonna try.
Ready? It's gonna go! 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 He made it, but he doesn't have very much style.
Now me and Ava are gonna do it with style.
With style.
Pull up my pants. Okay, Nick.
Go like this. I'm gonna run backwards.
Okay, ready? Nick?
Watch, you're gonna hit your head. Okay, go.
Did you see that? Jessie went.
Okay, ready? Nick?
Watch, you're gonna hit your head. Okay, go.
Did you see that? Jessie went.
Oh god, that was funny. Let's watch it.